Okay, so this is a small demonstration of my app called PhotoWalk, and it's made as a companion to when you're shooting with a DSLR, that you can track points or coordinates as long as you're walking, and then you can export it as a GPX file, and you can sync that with the to the metadata of your files. And Adobe Lightroom has a function for this GPX import. So that's what I had in mind when designing this app. So this is the main screen, and you can start a new photo walk. Let's see if we get any data here. I'm fairly close to a window. So it could be, maybe if I just put it a little bit closer to the window temporarily, then we will get coordinates. I'll just be waiting here to get the coordinates. Yes, here we have some data now, and you will get current coordinates, speed if you're moving, just a small extra feature. You will see how many satellites it has connection to. You can start your walk. That will show down here how many points that are collected. Shouldn't really be collecting now since I'm not moving. It could be due to the position not being so exact that it changes, but now it's not collecting. And then I can't save if I haven't collected any points. The collection is also able to be changed in settings. So for example, collecting distance, shortest distance, you can set different intervals, both time and distance. Then you can change the sorting order in the list afterwards, where you're showing the results. So this is where you record. And once you have recorded your walk, you can view them in this list. Now it's sorted descending, and as I said, you can change the sorting order as well to, the other way around. Now it's descending. And then you can have the option to rename them. As standard, they will show up with the date and hour, minute, and second. And like this one, I have renamed bicycle to downtown. And if you take a long press, you can get some options here. You can view, you can view it. That's just to get an idea of what you have been doing. Since you might not remember, then you see as well the file name here, and you can interact with the map. You can see here, if you want to check a position, you can get the coordinates. Maybe if you're unsure where you are or something like that, might want to double check with something else. But this is just a standard interaction with the map. And I have features that you can then, like I said, rename it, delete it. Here I will have a secure question to if you really want to delete it, so you don't delete something by mistake. And I have the last option is to share with. to easier to be maybe sending yourself the file to a Dropbox, for example. So now it has uploaded to Dropbox. Don't have to fill with going into the SD card or something like that. Just easy to share to yourself for syncing in Lightroom. And yeah, that's about it. Simple, you record GPX walks and later sync them with your pictures.